Start with downward facing dog pose. Bring your right leg up as high as you can and bring it to the right, left, your right knee to the right elbow, right knee to the left elbow. Do the other side. Left leg up to the left, to the right, to the left elbow, to the right elbow, and back to downward facing dog pose. Stretching. Then bring your right foot between your hands and bring it to the right side of your right arm. Lower your body and open your arms. Lift your chest. Keep your core walking. Put your hands on the mat and back to downward facing dog pose. Do the other side. Bring your left foot to the left side of your left arm and open your arms, lower your body and lift your chest. Airplane pose. Put your hands on the mat and go back to downward facing dog pose.